Poem for kids. My farm animals. On a sunny day I sat on my porch swing and watched a cool fresh summer rain. Everything then seems to come so alive. Birds flew to birdbaths to take a dive. My horse started galloping with glee, putting on a show to entertain me. The donkey he was hee-hawing so loud, trying to get attention of the crowd. The cows and goats stepped up to see what all the commotion seemed to be. Chickens were making a clucking sound. Even little bunnies were looking around. Simon the cat awoke puzzled over this, fell back to sleep for his daily rest. My farm animals are so joyful and free. Well, no one to see but only me. Like and subscribe Children's Farm for more.